everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Fakiha. So today's video is going to be very exciting because in this video I will show you two new products from Kylie Jenner's latest collection, which is Wizard of Oz. But before that, I will tell you a little bit about this collection. Kylie Cosmetics has partnered with Warner Brothers to create this limited edition makeup collection inspired by the classic film The Wizard of Oz. The range comprises a pressed powder palette, including blush, highlighter, and eyeshadow named for the movie characters, a matte lip paint set, metallic lipstick, transformative lip tint, and brush set. The products are promoted as clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Actually, I wanted to buy two products from Kylie Cosmetics, which is Wizard of Oz Transformative Lip Tint and Wizard of Oz Metallic Lipstick. But I was able to find only one product from her website, which is Metallic Lipstick, and the other one I got it from Ulta because Kylie also mentioned on Instagram that it is available on Ulta website. So this is the box from Kylie Cosmetics, which has metallic lipstick, and this package is from Ulta's website, which has transformative lip tint. Now I can't wait to open it, but before that I want to move my camera a little bit closer so that you guys can easily see. I forgot to tell you one thing in the beginning, that I also ordered Candle Lip Crayon set from Kylie's website. With this I get Kylie's Friday Lip Kit free, which is Black Friday deal. So these are the products. This is Candle Lip Crayon set. It has 3 crayons. This is Kylie's Friday Lip Kit. And this is metallic lipstick, Wizard of Oz metallic lipstick. So these are the products which I get from Kylie's website. Now let's open the Ulta's package. I'm very excited for this one because it has transformative lip tint. Here it is, the hottest product from Wizard of Oz collection, Transformative Lip Tint. On to the swatches. I'm going to start with this Transformative Lip Tint. It looks so beautiful. The bottle is so cute. Wow, look, it transforms into pink like instantly. Really cool. Not sticky at all. Look at that pink shade. Now the second product, metallic lipstick stuck into ribbon. I like the packaging of both the products. Wow, so shimmery. Texture is so smooth and creamy. Look at the shine. This one is perfect for Christmas. And I also like the small ruby slippers, which is tree ornament. Now let's move on to the candle lip crayon. I know that this product is not new, but I swatch it only for those who haven't buy this yet. Besides liquid lipstick, I do like crayons as well. I think crayons are the best product for beginners because you can shape and fill the lips with one product, and it's easy to apply as well. This one is low maintenance. So smooth and silky. It's like milky chocolate color. Now let's move on to the second color, which is Iconic Duo. Light brown color, kind of caramel. And third and last one, which is As We Should. And this is little darker, rose pink kind of color. Finally, the last product, which is Kylie's Friday Lip Kit. And this one is also not new. It has one matte liquid lipstick and one lip pencil. First, I'm gonna swatch lipstick. Nude skin color. You know, the good part of Kylie's cosmetics is her cosmetics are highly pigmented long lasting, and lightweight. Now pencil. It has the same shade like lipstick because it's a complete set. You know, I have a lot of other Kylie's cosmetics, and no doubt her products are worth buying. I already show you swatches of all the product, but before I leave, I want to share my thought on this new latest hottest collection, Wizard of Oz, especially this product. Now I understand why this product has so much hype and why everyone is like crazy about this special transformative lip tint. When I tried this, I was seriously obsessed with it. Packaging is so cute and texture is not sticky at all and transform color immediately like it says. And it almost smells like fresh apples. So I'm glad that I found it. If you guys need it, go and check out Ulta's website before it goes out of stock. Here is the end of the video. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Until the next video, goodbye.